morning, guys. Today we're headed to Las Vegas and we're really looking forward to it. We're gonna stay at a new place today. Looking forward to sharing it with you. We're going to the Sahara. It's at the far end of the strip, but we got a comp and it looks really nice online. Really looking forward to doing some reviews there and sharing our trip with you, and we'll check in with you when we get closer.
Thanks, guys. See you soon. Hey, we made it to the Sahara. As you can tell, there's no line. We are gonna hopefully get checked in and head up to our room. Hey, you guys, we just got checked in here at the Sahara in Las Vegas. We're in the Mara Tower. We are on the 26th floor of 28 total floors. And walking in here is the bathroom. Definitely newer, remodeled, upscale, simple, but very nice. And it seems really clean, which I always appreciate. And the shower is very nice. We'll see how the pressure is and everything later on, but first glance it looks very nice. There's a closet behind Tom, and then, so, you know, decent size, like that it has a door. And refrigerator, so that's nice. There's definitely storage over here. Like Tom and I were talking, this obviously used to be like a mini bar, I would say. And if you're looking for the safe, it's in the bottom drawer, which is funny because I could see not many people knowing it was there. But first reaction, I'd say the room is very nice. It's small, but looks clean and updated, and a lot of space here and more storage if needed. Really good size TV, I would say, as well, which is always appreciated by us. No coffee maker, I don't see, so we did bring our Keurig, and our view is the Strat and downtown over there. So far, I'd say we're pretty impressed. We did get comped on the room, so that's always nice as well. So we'll see how it is. Thanks, guys. Hey, you guys, we just are leaving the Sahara from our stay. We stayed for a few nights, and overall we loved the property, and our room was fantastic. It was clean and modern. It was small, but you know, didn't really bother us. We're really just there to sleep. So worked out well, good shower and everything, and nice restaurants at the Sahara. And I mean, I think overall we both would definitely go back. I mean, we were comped, but which is always nice, but it was a really good experience. It was, and you know, that the casino and the restaurants all very nice, and like the room we talked about, really clean, really nice bathroom, and housekeeping was excellent. We had a view of downtown and the stratosphere. It was really cool. Yeah, it was, and it's nice. There is a parking structure, and they don't charge for parking. Which always a bonus. And, so yeah, you know, and after being on the strip, guys, I gotta say, you know, a lot of people don't like to stay on this north end, but we find it a lot easier to walk from casino to casino. Now that they've got Fontainebleau that's right next door, you can walk there, you can walk to Strat, you can walk to Westgate or Resorts World, or even Circus. We went there last night, but it is so hard to walk down the strip these days to go different casinos. So I recommend it. And then if you want to come back, take the monorail. We've got a video on that if you want to see it. Yeah, the monorail was awesome, and we'll definitely use that again. It was our first time trying it, and if you're on the north end, Sahara is the furthest north you can go, the furthest stop, and can go all the way to the MGM. So definitely a tip there. I think, was it $6 each? It was $6 one way, or you can get like a 3-day pass or whatever. Yeah, $6 one way. And you know, maybe if we stayed here again, we might get a pass, because it like Tom was saying, it is so hard to walk around downtown. You're up and over so many times. It's so close, but it takes, you know, 20 minutes between casinos at least.
Especially like right now, they're getting ready for the Super Bowl, and they're going to do something at Bellagio, so you can't walk anywhere around there. It's just make it really hard.
Yeah.
Because I mean, we like going to different casinos, but boy, it's a journey. Yeah,
for sure. Yeah, but we definitely recommend the Sahara, and we'll definitely stay there again, hopefully soon. And thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We're having a blast making these videos. Let us know if you have any suggestions of where we should stay or eat. And thanks again for watching.
Thanks again, guys.